In front of me is Motorola Moto G13, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Motorola. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. Now you need to install this free app from Tool Developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your Motorola's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!